He entered into the bus. He entered the bus. Which one is correct or which one is wrong? This video will try to find out few common English mistakes. So welcome back to my channel Updating This Mode. So let's begin. Number one mistake. I am feeling boring. So let's find out the mistake. In this sentence, using of feeling is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of feeling is wrong because boring is something that makes others feel bored. So bored means how you feel. So I am boring, you makes others bored. I am feeling boring. Still it is wrong meaning. So the correct usage is I am bored, I am feeling bored. So easy difference is boring gives boredom, bored means feels boredom. So easy trick is use for any cause use ing, for feeling use ed. So correct sentence are I am feeling bored, I am bored. Number two mistake. I am very much happy. So let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence using of very much is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of very much is wrong because very much is normally used with verbs, not adjectives like happy. So I like this movie very much. This sentence is correct because very much is used with verb. I am very much happy. This sentence is wrong because very much is used with adjective. So the correct usage with adjectives are very, really, extremely. I am very happy. She is extremely happy. When very much is correct. She is extremely happy. I enjoyed the trip very much. So easy trick is with the verb use very much, with the adjective use only very. So the correct sentence is I am very happy. Number three. Give a call to me. So let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence, using of to me is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of to me is wrong because with verbs like give, send, show, tell, English often places the person before the thing. So we say give me a call, this is right. Give a call to me, this is wrong. So the correct structure is always use verb with person than thing. So give me a call. Give is a verb, me is a person, call is a thing. Same like send me the file. The easy trick is always use person first. It is more not natural. So the correct sentence is give me a call. So number four. She entered into the bus. So let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence, using of into is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of into is wrong because the verb enter already includes the idea of going inside. So it does not need a preposition. So enter into is wrong. It should be enter only. So the correct structure is enter plus place. She entered the room. They entered the hall. So the easy trick to remember is with enter never use any preposition. So the correct sentence is she entered the bus. Number five mistake. He is addicted of smoking. So let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence using of is wrong. So let's find out the reason. Using of is wrong because the adjective adjective always takes the preposition to, not of. So the easy trick to remember is always use to with addicted. So the correct structure is he is addicted to smoking. She is afraid from dark. So let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence, using of from is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of from is wrong in this sentence because the adjective afraid always takes the preposition of, not from. So the structure is afraid of thing in person. So instead of afraid of dog, it should be afraid from dogs. So the correct sentence is she is afraid from dark. Now he gave suggestion. So let's find out the mistake. Here using of only suggestion is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of only suggestion is wrong because suggestion is a countable noun. So it needs an article a and an or plural form. So the correct structure when in the case of singular form we should use article a. He gave a suggestion. But in the case of plural form, suggestion will be suggestions with using some. So the correct sentence is he gave a suggestion. He gave some suggestions. I am not having enough money. Let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence, using of having enough is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of having enough is wrong because the verb have for possession is a state verb. For state verbs usually do not use ing form. So I am having money, I am not having time is are wrong. So the correct one is I have money, I do not have time. So in the case of having is used for activities or experiences, not possession, then we can write having. Let's understand by example. I am having lunch. She is having fun. So easy trick is use of have in the case of possession, no ing required. Use of have in the case of activity, ing required. So the correct sentence is I do not have enough food. He reached at home. So let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence, using of at is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of at is wrong because the verb reach already includes the idea of arriving. So it does not need a preposition. So instead of reach at home, it should be reach home. No preposition required with reach. At or in is required with arrive. So the correct sentence is he reached home. I will go there after 2 days. So let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence, using of after 2 days is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of after 2 days is wrong because when we talk about future time from now, English uses in with time. So let's understand by this in 2 days, in a week, in 5 minutes. So the correct usage is I will call you in 10 minutes. We will meet in 2 days. She will arrive in an hour. So when we use after, let's understand. Use after when referring to a specific event or past reference. So let's understand by examples. I will call you after the meeting. He came after 2 days. So easy trick is when in the case of future from now use in, after something use after. So the correct sentence is I will go there in 2 days. I am going by foot. So let's understand or let's find out where is the mistake. In this sentence, using of by foot is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of by foot is wrong in this sentence because in English, for any transportation expressions, use fixed prepositions like by bus, by car, by train. We always use by. मतलब in English for any transportation vehicle हम लोग एक फिक्स preposition यूज करते हैं that is by. Like by bus, by car, by train. But for walking, English uses on foot. जब हम वॉक करके जाते हैं इन दिस केस हम लोग हमेशा ऑन यूज करते हैं एज ए प्रीपोजिशन लाइक ऑन फुट. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द करेक्ट यूसेज बाय एग्जाम्पल. I go to school on foot. She came on foot. मैं स्कूल पैदल जाता हूँ. वह पैदल आई थी. So now where we make mistake? Sometime in both the cases like transportation on foot we use by. That is wrong. जब हम कोई भी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन यूज करते हैं तो वी यूज प्रीपोजिशन बाई. जब हम पैदल चलते हैं हम लोग ऑन यूज करते हैं. फॉर एनी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वी यूज बाई. फॉर वॉकिंग वी यूज ऑन. सो द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज आई एम गोइंग ऑन फुट फ्रॉम टू द. He told me, he told that he was tired. So let's find out the mistake. Here, using of told that is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of told that is wrong because the verb tell always usually needs an object person. वर्ब टेल के साथ हमेशा एक मीडियम एक पर्सन की जरूरत होती है. टेल प्लस समवन समथिंग. सो ही टोल्ड मी दैट. This sentence is correct because वह मुझे बोला था. So me is a person or medium. He told that this is incorrect because medium is not available. So difference between say and tell. Say something. वह बोला है. Tell someone something. उसने किसी को बोला है. He said that he was tired. वह बोला था वो थका है. He told me that he was tired. उसने मुझे बोला था वह थका था. So let's understand the easy trick. Tell means needs a person. टेल के साथ हमेशा एक मीडियम एक पर्सन की जरूरत होती है. से नो पर्सन रिक्वायर्ड. से के साथ कोई पर्सन मीडियम की जरूरत नहीं होती है. सो करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज आर ही सेड दैट ही वाज टायर्ड. ही टोल्ड मी दैट ही वाज टायर्ड. Number 3 mistake. She is very confident. let's find out the mistake. C is very confident. Here using of confidence is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of confidence is wrong because the confidence is a noun, not an adjective. After is MR, we usually need an adjective. कॉन्फिडेंस एक नाउन है, एडजेक्टिव नहीं. इज एम आर के साथ हमेशा एडजेक्टिव यूज होता है. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड बाय एग्जांपल. सी इज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंस. इन दिस सेंटेंस कॉन्फिडेंस इज ए नाउन, दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. सी इज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. Here confident is an adjective. As we know, is MR always use adjective. So difference between confidence and confident. Confidence is a noun. She has confidence. उसे confidence है. So that is why it is used with has. Confident is an adjective. She is confident. वो confident है. So as we know, after is MR, we always use confident adjective. So easy trick to remember is after is MR, we use adjective. is MR के बाद हमेशा adjective use होता है. So correct sentence is she is very confident. She is doing a mistake. So let's find out the mistake. In this sentence, using of doing is wrong. So let's understand the reason. The using of doing is wrong because in English, some nouns use fixed verbs called collocations. In English, कुछ ऐसे noun हैं जिसके साथ fixed verb use होता है. Like, make a mistake is the correct one. Do a mistake is the wrong. So let's understand the correct uses. She is making a mistake. I made a mistake. वह गलत कर रही है. वह गलत किया था. So easy trick to remember is if something is created, result produce, use make. So the correct sentence is she is making a mistake. So mistake. She is having headache. So let's find out the mistake. She is having headache. Here using of is having is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Is having is wrong because the verb have for illness, pain is usually treated as a state, not an action. So English normally uses has instead of is having. So for बीमारी और दर्द के लिए हमेशा have और has use होता है rather than is having. So why is needed? Headache is a countable noun, so we must say a headache instead of only headache. So the correct structure is we always use subject plus has plus article a or an plus illness or pain. So let's understand by example. He has a fever. She has a cold. So the easy trick to remember is with the pain or illness, usually we use has or have with article a or an. So the correct structure is she has a headache. So the comment below which mistake do you use most. I will fix it in the next video. So please like, follow and subscribe this channel. Thank you.